Hey guys, Paul here. So it's been about 2 months since we picked up this 2021 Model 3 long range, and we are planning to take a road trip from California to Arizona next week. But before we go on a road trip, we need to make sure that this car, since we've been driving about 1,500 miles, but we never try supercharging at all. So today I'm gonna try take the car to a supercharger. It's really close from my house, about 2 miles away, to see if it has any problem supercharging at all before we go on a long trip, to make sure we're not in the middle of nowhere and we have problem with supercharging. So this car is supposed to be able to do 250 kilowatt per hour. So a supercharger right by my house, they just built and opened up a few months ago. It's version 3 supercharger. It should do 250 kilowatt per hour. Let's see if this car can do that much kilowatt per hour. Let's go. So we've been driving this car for 1,586 miles, and we used 393 kilowatt hours and 248 watt hours per miles. So the car is starting to preconditioning the batteries right now for fast charging at the Supercharge. I'm not sure how much can it heat up the batteries because it's only 2 miles away. Let's see. Okay, we're here at the Supercharger. It's not a lot of cars here, which is good. Let's get this thing charged up and test it. Okay, we at 2C. There's 2D over there, 2B and 2A, so no one's sharing this one right now, so it should be fast. Let's try it. Okay, it's connecting. Screen now is charging. Let's see, it's how fast can this one charge. Okay, now it's ramping up to 32 kilowatt per hour. I'll try to charge up to about 50%. See how fast or how long does it take. Okay, right now it's 11:03. So we started from 22% batteries, now it's 30%. The kilowatt dropped down to 184 with about 130 miles per hour. We'll come back and see how long does it take from 22% to 50%. I forgot to mention that when we bought this car, we used our friend's referral code. So we got 1,000 miles free supercharging, but it will expire in March next year. So we have to use it somehow before it expired. Some of you might know, some of you might not know. You have to use it. Otherwise, it will just be gone. And we're lucky enough to got those free supercharging miles before Tesla canceled the program. topped out that the supercharging is almost complete. So now supercharging just completed. We started from 11:03, now 11:11. So it took only 8 minutes from 22% to 50% on the 2021 Tesla Model 3 long range. That was really fast. As you can see here, it's supercharging $0. So I used up a little bit of that 1,000 free supercharging that I got from my friend's referral code. Thanks to my friend. So the supercharging was done. Everything went perfect. Nothing wrong with the car. I just want to make sure, before going a long trip, that we don't have any problem with supercharging. I think it's a good idea, even though you've been to a long trip before, but you never know. I would suggest try supercharging before you get started on your trip, so you don't have any problem charging before you go, or in between the trip that you try supercharge and then the car won't work. So the supercharging was really fast. I'm surprised, but this is my first time supercharging my car. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Click like if you like the videos, and subscribe for future contents, and see you on the next one. Bye.